You probably know that meditation brings various benefits that can have a very positive impact on your life, like gaining a new perspective on stressful situations or focusing on the present. But sometimes you may not see progress and wonder what you're doing wrong. Today, I want to introduce you to 5 basic mistakes in meditation that will adversely affect your meditation. Practicing meditation consistently. This is the most common reason why you are not making progress. Meditation must be practiced daily to make an impact in your life. Consistency is the thing you need to focus on the most. Choose a time in the day when you can meditate in peace. Just meditate for 10 minutes a day to see results. 10 minutes a day is better than half an hour 3 times a week. You expect too much too soon. Do not expect that after 3 days of meditation you will achieve everything that awaits you. Enjoy how you feel after sitting down, how you feel calmer, clearer, and more focused. Of course, meditation doesn't always feel like this, but once you've practiced it long enough, you'll see that, in general, it feels pretty good. Many of the deeper benefits of meditation only emerge after months or years of daily practice. Therefore, it is important to keep light expectations so you can stick with them in the long run. No preparation before practice. You can sit down to meditate at any time of the day, as most people do. However, your sessions can go much deeper if you take a few minutes beforehand to relax your body, calm your breath, and validate your intentions. It can be as simple as doing a few stretches, taking 3 deep breaths, and reiterating your intention, like, okay, I'm going to focus now. Jumping from technique to technique. During the first few months of your meditation practice, it's okay to try a different technique or do a different guided meditation each day. However, after a while, you want to decide on a technique and stick with it. In fact, different people do better with different techniques. So it's important to experiment with different techniques until you find what works best for you. If meditation doesn't work for you, you can try one meditation for 1 to 4 weeks to get an initial feel before moving on to another. You keep wondering if you're doing it right. Because you care about your practice and want to improve it, you may be inclined to overanalyze it. We must be careful not to engage in this kind of psychological masturbation. So you have to let go and practice. Time will make the meditation process clearer to you as it becomes more of an experience for you than something to understand and describe. Be eager, keep learning, and keep experimenting with nuances in your approach. If you have a good meditation teacher or community, ask your question as clearly as possible and see what you can learn. But know that despite your insecurity, you must move on. Believe me, things will become clearer with time and practice. Thanks for watching. Write in the comment what problems you have with meditation, watch my last video of a 5-minute meditation, subscribe and like. Goodbye.